At the end of this video, you'll know if worth it ba i-check out yung newest product ng BLK, their AIRY Matte Cushion Foundation. Yung AIRY Matte Cushion Foundation nila has 5% niacinamide which smoothens out the skin, and it is available in 6 different shades that will complement our Morena Filipina skin. So if you want to know if worth it ba i-check out yung product na to, make sure you watch till the end of this video and make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on that bell button para notified kayo whenever your girl has a new video. They have this sort of a teardrop shape na applicator, and it has this pointed tip so that it will help us apply the cushion in small areas or small corners of our faces, like dito sa inner corners ng eyes natin and so on. The shade that I have from their PR is the shade Espresso, and yung shade na Espresso, guys, is actually the deepest shade sa kanilang 6 shades. So again, yes, they have 6 shades available. So we have Oat, Creme, Vanilla, Butterscotch, Toast, and Espresso. I have the darkest shade. Usually, I would be a Butterscotch. So, yung Butterscotch is a medium neutral undertone. And then, yung Espresso naman, which is the shade that I have here, is deep, warm undertone naman siya. Because I only have one shade with me, I'm not gonna review this product based on its shade, but rather just on its coverage, performance, and of course how it feels on the face, if it's comfortable. My skin right now is fairly normal, pero I have most of my blemishes on the left side of my face. So I have here mild sunspots, and I also have here mga veiny parts on the lower side of my face. So we'll see if the AIRY Matte Cushion Foundation and BLK will be able to cover them up. So first, I'm gonna swatch it here, and it is a little bit warm. It is really, really warm on me. However, for the coverage, I like it a lot. So shade aside, kasi hindi talaga siya match sa skin ko, but the coverage is really, really nice. With just one layer, natakpan niya yung veiny parts ng balat ko na parang Photoshop. Oh my God. If kasing kulay ko lang talaga yung shade na to, I would like it so much. Kasi maganda yung coverage niya. With just one layer. One layer pa lang to, guys, ha. I like the applicator kasi it can really go in the tiny corners of my face. So yung left side muna ng face ko, yung in-applyan ko ng BLK AIRY Matte Cushion Foundation, so that you will see the difference sa right side naman ng face ko, which is completely bare. On the left side of my face, you can clearly see na it's quite lifted. Yung eyes ko is a little bit lifted because natakpan ng cushion na to yung dark under eyes. And the blemishes on the left side of my face were completely covered up by the BLK AIRY Matte Cushion Foundation with just one layer. And by applying just one layer of this cushion foundation, it keeps the look natural. It keeps the look seeming na parang skin-like yung effect niya. Now, I'll be applying the cushion on the right side of my face so that you will be able to see its full performance or full effect on my face. So this is my final look with the BLK AIRY Matte Cushion Foundation. And even though hindi ko ka-shade yung shade na Espresso, na-balance out ko siya with the concealers that I have. So I just did a little bit of brightening up on my face and used a light powder para ma-balance out ko yung dark shade na Espresso. And somehow, nag-match na rin yung Cushion Matte Foundation sa balat ko, and parang hindi nyo na siya maso-spot na ibang-iba yung shade na nagamit ko kanina. But anyway, on to the review. So yung key benefits ng BLK AIRY Cushion Matte Foundation is that first, blurring daw siya. So it easily blurs out the pores, cover ups mga redness, and hides imperfection. And I would have to agree with that claim. It really does that, and even with just one layer, it will be able to achieve that Photoshop soft filter effect on your face. And it also has buildable coverage. Yes, indeed, it has buildable coverage. Although hindi lang ako nakapag 2 to 3 layers just because it's not my preference and I have mild acne marks naman lang. So I didn't feel the need to build up the coverage of this cushion. I feel like mas true to skin lang if I keep it 1 layer lang. This product has 5% niacinamide in it. So basically, if you continue using this product, it will improve the radiance of your skin. Basically, it will make you a little bit more glowing and improve the blemishes on your skin. Yung price ng cushion foundation na to is 749 pesos. And to be honest, it is quite reminiscent of the Bare & Bliss cushion foundation. However, yung Bare & Bliss na cushion is a little bit pricier compared sa BLK na cushion foundation. So, I would say this is a dupe. And also, you're supporting local pa. So, if you want to support Filipino products, then go for this one. And again, mas makakapag-save pa kayo. So for me, napaka-reasonable pa rin naman ng price niya na 749 pesos. Because usually, dyan naman talaga nag-range yung mga foundation prices. It's pretty worth it for me. And yeah, add to cart, check out nyo na yung product na to before it gets sold out. And of course, if gusto nyo pang tumambay dito sa channel ko, I have my playlist here ready for you guys to marathon. Just remember, no hate, just love.